Welcome back to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can edit your Airbnb listing. Try and do this from your computer because it is not so easy to do it from their phone app. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, go over to the top right section. You will see switch to hosting option there. Click on that and that will take you to your hosting dashboard. And on this page, you need to click on listings option, which is in the top menu. And if you have multiple listings like me, it will prompt you to choose a listing. Otherwise, it will directly land you on a screen like this. Now, this is where you will be able to edit all the settings of your property, like listing description, pricing, availability, and all those things. And on the right hand side, you will see the images and you can do the changes to your images, etc. But if you want to see your calendar, block some dates, or change pricing, you will need to click on this calendar option instead, and that will land you on your calendar page. And this is where you can block, unblock the calendar, or you can change the pricing. And here on the right hand side, you will see pricing options, and towards the end you will see promotions and cleaning fee, pet fee, extras, etc. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye bye.